Hello, everyone. Let's have a look today. Datafeng BGA repair welding table bar. It is also known as electronic welding. Whether it's making a circuit board, electronic equipment, or building robots.
I know you're making up the truth. Why can't I go?
BGA welding table is crucial, one of the most important tools.
Even if it's difficult.
First of all, the main welding platform. It works by heating. When the user operates the welding platform, the top and the bottom of the welding table, hot parts in warm areas will be used. The principle of electric heating increases the temperature and heats the air to form a hot air. Finally, one thing to note. Various welding methods have different requirements. Therefore, in the use of welding table, don't neglect safety. And the use of electronics, circuits, etc. equipment requirements for attention.